Alright, check it out. Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video we're going to install a flat metal over top of the carpet in vinyl plank flooring. So you see, it's turned intact, the carpet's down, it's not going anywhere. We're just going to give it a threshold to finish it off. And this is probably the easiest installation ever. So we're going to take our tin snips, cut it to fit the width of the doorway. And you see on this how it has a little bevel here. I want that to taper down to the plank floor. Goes wall to wall. I'm going to drop the nails right into the holes. And secure it in. And that is the finished product. So, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to make a video covering every aspect of the flooring industry. I'll catch you on the next video.